Hi everyone, today we're making this fun and charming Christmas wood art project. Hi, I'm Donna, and on our channel we like to show you different woodworking projects with high profit margins, most made with scrap, that have sold well for us so you can make and sell them too. So let's get right into it. We're going to start off by printing off our pattern, and as always the patterns are available on our Etsy shop. If you're interested, I'll leave the link in the description below. So we glue them down. I use a glue stick and we cut them out on the scroll saw. This one is a super thin project, so I'm using MDF and I'm cutting out the pieces, and then all you need to do is cut out the few pieces that there are, and then the backgrounds need to be painted. The Santa gets a red background and the elf gets a green background, and then you just paint the other pieces. This is a super fast, easy project. And if you would like, go visit our website, ideas2ididit.com. We've got lots more details on our process and on our methods when creating different wood art projects and different wood projects in general. And if you sign up for our newsletter, we will send you a free wood art project so you can give that a try. And so here I'm just painting the belt pieces black. It's a similar process for both of them. So you paint the background and then the belt pieces get painted black, and then the collar on the elf gets painted red, and the Santa beard's white. And then we're going to do just a bit of gold work to really bring the belt to life, and then you just glue it all down. This has such an impact. It's so simple, but it's really, really nice. It really creates that wow. Okay, so once I get the collar done, I'm going to start doing the detail work on the belt, which is really simple. It's just basically there's a square and I'm just painting it with some gold acrylic paint, and it really is just a simple, easy project that looks fantastic when it's done. So I'll do this for both belts, and I'll create the little circles for the belt holes, and then the little clasp there where it would grab. And I'll do it for the elf one as well, and then we're pretty much done. We're just going to glue it down and on our background. And I used MDF for all of it, but you could easily use wood as well. I generally work with wood. I just wanted something super thin for this one. And now that they're done, we're just going to glue them all in place. And then you could frame these. I chose not to. I have these in my living room actually, and I really like them just clean without a frame. But you definitely could frame them if you wanted to. And we do have a video of Chris's 2x4 frame technique where you can make a frame for right around $1. I'll link that below if you want to see that as well. So Chris and I want to thank you so much for all your support and spending time with us. And we want to take this opportunity to wish you the merriest of Christmas. We hope you and your loved ones have an absolutely fantastic holiday. So here's the completed project. We've got Santa and the elf, and they look fantastic together. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day.